Hello guys, today we're going to be making another video of Ugg throwing seagulls down to the pit. This is so fun to do. Come here. Yo, you know what you did. Oh my god. Okay, get off. Get off. Get off, bro. You need to get out. You need to get out. Baya, baya, baya. Oh no, that's the wrong way. Wait, is it? Get away, dude. Herbert. Get away. Get away. Yo, there's another seagull over there. I can't go over there because my dinosaur will die. There's so much seagulls everywhere, dude. Look at that one. Oh, no. Bad seagull. Bad seagull. Bad seagull. Yeah, run. Oh. How do you come back to life? Here. He's gonna come back. He's gonna come back. He's gonna come back. Yeah. We're gonna kill him. Don't worry. Don't worry. So cool. There we go. Oh, I should have just said hollow purple. That would be more funnier. I'll do that next time. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Hollow purple! Hollow purple! Okay, we need to climb higher so we can get more. I don't think... I think that he's gonna see me right here. He did. Yo, I caught two! I caught two! Okay, bye-bye now. Fly! We gotta go. Get it, got it good. Oh my god. Get away! Oh my god, dude. Let's go. Dude, this is like so hard to do. Including seagulls. They're so annoying. Yeah, that's why I mentioned you. That's why I mentioned you, bro. That's why I mentioned you. Oh. He threw them down. He threw them down. You know what you're doing, bad bird. Oh. What the? Bad bird, bro. Yeah, seagulls are really annoying, and if I mention them, they get really mad. Oh. I'm an expert prehistoric climber. I think my dinosaur's up there. No! Where did it go? Ugh, ugh, ugh. No, so hard to climb in this game. Lava. Come here. You're not supposed to do that. I think my dinosaur's up there. Ow! Get out. this without a dinosaur. Oh. How much times do I have to tell you guys not to sneak attack? There we go, there's my dinosaur. Oh. Stop sneak attacking me. I thought you were green. Oh no, oh no. Dude, he's climbing up. He's flying. I'm feeding you to the gods. Wait, how come they're known to live with the lava, and how come they can't even survive? Wait. Oh my god, bro, I'm so dumb. They're literally surviving. Look. I think I just saw it. It sounds like whenever they scream, it sounds like someone's saying the F word. The rah, rah, rah. The rah, rah, rah. You know, I'm just gonna die. I don't really care. You know what? Me and you are gonna die together. Whee! There you go.
Jennifer,
You want to do this?
Jennifer, for a fucking mammoth egg.
No? Alright.
And you said it!
My collection.
Can I offer for a
You want
mammoth
to
egg?
trade you?
Look
I
at
got
your
it, bro.
collection.
Yeah, that's my dino deck. So
Let me offer for a
I'll
mammoth
trade
egg.
you.
Dino deck.
Ready?
Let me offer for a mammoth egg.
You.
You want to see my dino jump?
Dino decks.
You, bro. You. Well, I'm pointing at. Hey, I will trade you for this.
Look, this
Now I
guy's global
think I
ranking
could
is
just-
31.
There you go, Pisasaur. Phantom, what have you been doing in the Magmadon ages?
What?
I mean,
I'll
what
trade
have
you.
you
Tell
done?
me
And then you're
this is my biggest scoop. This is my biggest scoop.
I'm trying to look for.
Hey, you want to trade?
Bro,
Are you guys at the end of the video?